In this video, I'll show you how to submit a bank statement in Payoneer properly. A bank statement may be requested by Payoneer to verify your bank account, confirm your address, or review your account activity. The exact reason depends on the request shown in your Payoneer Verification Center, so always read the instructions carefully before uploading anything. First, log in to your Payoneer account using the official Payoneer website or mobile app. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to Settings, then open Verification Center. This is where Payoneer shows any pending document requests. Look for the request that asks for a bank statement. Click or tap it to open the details. Payoneer should explain what information must appear on the document. Usually, a proper bank statement should show your full name, account number, or partial account number, address if required, statement date, and official bank branding. Next, prepare your document. The best option is usually a PDF bank statement downloaded directly from your online banking account. If you only have a paper statement, take a clear photo or scan it. Make sure all four corners are visible and the text is easy to read. Before uploading, check that the name on the bank statement matches the name on your Payoneer account. If Payoneer is verifying your address, make sure the address on the statement matches the address listed in Payoneer. If the details do not match, your document may be rejected. Also, make sure the statement is recent if Payoneer requires a recent document. Many verification requests need a document issued within the last 3 months, but follow the exact requirement shown in your account. Avoid editing the statement, covering important details, cropping the page too much, or uploading blurry screenshots. Payoneer needs to clearly see the required information. If your statement has multiple pages, upload the page that shows your name, bank details, and address if needed. Now return to the Verification Center and select Upload, Submit, or Choose File. Pick your bank statement from your phone or computer. Payoneer may accept formats like PDF, JPG, or PNG, depending on the request. After uploading, review the preview if one is shown. Confirm that the document is readable and complete. Then click or tap Submit. Once submitted, Payoneer will review the bank statement. The status may show as pending during the review. Check your Payoneer dashboard and email regularly in case they ask for another document or a clearer copy. If your bank statement is rejected, read the reason carefully, fix the issue, and upload a better version. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.